In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can open second or multiple instances of same program on your Windows 11. So let's get started. I'm going to share to you two ways. So click on the start button. Now here, if you can find that program, let's say for example, I have this notepad. So I'm just going to press the Windows key, press on Windows key and then click for how many times you want to open the notepad. So I'm going to open it two times or two instances. I'm just going to click twice. And now I have two instances of notepad running right here on the Windows 11 like that. Okay. So you have to click according to your requirement of how many instances would you like to open for notepad. Second method is once you have opened your program and it is right here on the taskbar, what you can do is you need to press the shift key on your keyboard. So let's say for example, I have this notepad opened and then on the taskbar, locate the notepad and then you have to press the shift key on your keyboard and then click for how many times you want to open it. Shift key and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this will open a lot of instances or multiple instances of notepad on your Windows 11. So as easy as that, you can do the ways that I have shared to you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.